Hello everybody. What you see here today is a 42-inch Gulf Coast 5th Avenue ceiling fan in pure white and polished brass. This fan is from January of 1988 and it's made by Sinlix. The motor inside is roughly 153 by 10. I believe it's on par with the 42-inch Dixie Belle model. This fan is kind of an oddball. You see these in 52-inch from time to time, but a 42-inch one rarely surfaces. The light kit was my addition. It didn't come with a switch cap, but I thought this light kit would be our best bet for it. The blades are reversible white with pinstriping to plain white on the top. I obviously have the cooler side showing, and I think that's all there is to say, so let's get it turned on. Here's the light kit. Just using 4 LEDs in it for right now. These are just what I got on hand. I'll go ahead and turn the fan to low. The story behind my acquisition of this fan is I purchased it from Nolan Ferguson at the Fanimation group trip. I've been wanting this fan off of him for a while, and I'm so glad to finally have it. I think I've been asking him about this fan for about near 5 years at this point. Because I love 90s Coke fans like this. You know? It's definitely a beautiful little fan. Low speed is a little too fast for my tastes. You know. And I'd figured a Sinlix fan would have a better low speed, but you know. I don't know if I mentioned, but this fan is from January of 1988. So we'll go ahead and turn this up to medium. But yeah, build quality is all right on it. This fan is really heavy due to the rings around the motor being a very thick, very heavy metal. And I believe the top plate of the fan is cast. You also might notice, you can kind of see it, the weird mounting system. So the canopy is basically welded to the mounting bracket, and there's supposed to be two pieces. You have the piece right there on the left, which is half of the canopy and the mounting bracket. You put the fan on that, and then you're supposed to have another decorative piece that goes on the right that just covers up all the wires and stuff like that. That piece was not provided with this fan. Go ahead and switch the fan to high. At high speed, it's an alright fan. Nothing phenomenal, nothing terrible. I personally think it would have benefited from a larger motor, because I've seen the 42-inch Dixie Belles from the mid-80s, and those have huge spinner motors. But this one just has a 153. I also found it interesting that, unlike most Gulf Coast products, this fan does not have a detachable switch housing. I have a Sinlix Dixie Belle and a Sinlix Riviera from this time period, and they both have detachable switch housings. So we'll go ahead and take the fan up to give you the close-up. You just notice that glass is amazing. But yeah, high speed, it moves good air. I'd probably, if my parents wouldn't kill me, I'd probably put this in my kitchen. But shit, fucking tripod. All right, go ahead and let her spin down. The bearings on this fan are pretty good, so. And the only other thing I wished out of this fan is that it was 4 or 5 blade instead of 5 blade only. But, 42-inch Saturn copy. What can you expect? And on top of that, a rare Saturn copy. Elgato. Alright, that's all I got for this fan. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Gabe doing fan things, signing off.